Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why your car door is not locking or unlocking. If you can't get your door to lock or unlock when pressing the button on the key fob, then most likely you're going to have a bad electronic door lock actuator. The purpose of the door lock actuator is to latch onto the strike plate when you close your door. How do you know you have a failing door lock actuator? And the first sign is you can't unlock or unlock your car when pressing on the key fob button. And also when you try to use the interior door handle, you can't open your door. And when you try to use the exterior door handle, you also can't open the door as well. That's how you know you have a failing door lock actuator. The next sign that you know that it is time to replace the door lock actuator is going to be noise. When the door lock actuator is failing, caused by a bad electronic motor or a stripped gear on the inside, your door lock actuator is going to start to make noise. It can make a flaring noise or it can make a click rapid noise. For example, if I press on this key fob, you can hear that the door lock actuator making noise. That's how you know it is time to replace your door lock actuator. How do you replace the door lock actuator? To replace the door lock actuator, you have to remove the door panel. There's going to be a few screws right here and here and here. And all you have to do is pull out the bottom of the door panel and you can lift it out. Once you lift the panel out, there's going to be two cables right there that you have to disconnect. And there's also a connection you also have to disconnect. And next you have to remove 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Of course, procedure is going to be different for a different vehicle, but the concept is the same. Before replacing the door lock actuator, make sure you inspect the cable. Make sure the cable is not broken, stretched, or frayed. Also, make sure to inspect the connection because sometimes this connection can become loose or it can become corroded, caused by water intrusion. When removing the screws on the door lock actuator, do not use a screwdriver because you can strip the screws. Make sure to use a Phillips bit socket, and this will ensure that you will not strip the screws. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.